I feel like I haven't been able to like maintain a lot of healthy adult friendships.
Ain't no talking.
No, I mean, you know, I'm bad too.
But you finally get like settled in the friendship. Like, alright.
Girl, you told me like this wasn't cool for you.
Uncomfortable conversations.
Don't want to say that.
So y'all, I got my friend a brand new couch. It's just a thank you, I love you, let's get back together gift, okay? Shout out to 25 Home for gifting us this beautiful couch. And y'all, I'm about to put y'all on real quick before we get into it in this video, because 25 Home is our new destination, okay? They have the cute furniture for the cute prices. So we about to furnish everybody homes, okay? Listen, click them links down below. I have a special coupon code for you guys. And yes, get into this couch. We're about to sit on this couch and get real comfy and get real with each other and with you guys with this girl chat. So let's get into it, y'all.